Part SX3 Credit Repair Software, Credit Repair Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to SX3 and other helpful credit repair tools are included in the description below. SX3 Credit Repair Software is a professional-grade credit repair platform designed for both individuals and businesses that want full control over the credit repair process. Whether you're starting a credit repair business or managing your own credit profile, SX3 offers a robust, cloud-based system packed with automation, dispute tools, client management, and compliance features. It's ideal for credit repair professionals, agencies, and advanced DIY users who need a scalable and fully customizable platform. Key features include automated importing of credit reports from major providers like Identity IQ and Smart Credit, one-click dispute letter generation, client portal access, task automation, and detailed progress tracking. It also offers workflow automation tools, allowing you to build rule-based processes that reduce manual work, essential for businesses looking to manage dozens or hundreds of clients efficiently. One major strength of SX3 is its depth. It doesn't just help you send dispute letters. It supports everything from onboarding clients to tracking results and staying compliant with credit repair laws like CROA. The software is regularly updated, cloud-based, and includes multi-user support, making it easy for teams to collaborate securely. Another advantage is the integration with billing and CRM systems, helping streamline operations for credit repair companies. However, SX3 is not beginner-focused. It has a learning curve, especially for individuals new to credit repair or software tools in general. There's also a monthly subscription fee, which might be too much for someone just looking to repair their own credit. Additionally, since it's a professional tool, the interface is packed with features that may overwhelm casual users. That said, for those serious about credit repair, especially professionals who need reliability, automation, and legal compliance, SX3 is a powerful and respected choice in the industry. If you're running or launching a credit repair business or want enterprise-level tools to manage credit disputes efficiently, SX3 delivers. Check the link in the description to explore pricing, features, and see if SX3 fits your credit repair goals.